I'm Jack Harrison. I work for Asletts and we are a decorating firm.
I'm Amber Hatton. I'm working for Asletts and I'm doing a painting and decorating apprenticeship. I decided to do an apprenticeship because I wanted to learn on the job and be more hands-on.
So it's really beneficial having apprentices so we can train them up, we can get them working how the rest of the team works, and after the apprentices are done, they become like full-time employees, adding to the team. How we find apprentices is we usually contacted by the local colleges, or we headhunt. We'll go to the local colleges asking if they have any that they recommend for us.
When employers are recruiting an apprentice, they're looking for someone willing to learn and willing to put in the hours.
The kind of qualities we're looking for in apprentices is punctuality, showing up on time, wanting to learn, ideally. You don't have to be the best, but you need to try your best. I think you should do an apprenticeship because instead of sitting in a classroom, you're out in the industry, you're earning money, you're learning skills, and you're developing your future.
In my opinion, I think someone should become an apprentice to heighten their skills and learn more in the work environment.